This video will demonstrate how to set up the audio correctly. If your retrofitted CarPlay or Android Auto has no sound, you may have multiple audio channels in your original car media system, such as FM, AM, Bluetooth, CD player, and AUX. When you select any single channel above, your car stereo will be played sound through the channel you have selected. As an external media source, the retrofitted CarPlay or Android Auto needs an audio channel from your original car media system as its audio output. And this particular channel, in most cars, is the AUX. Therefore, you must manually select it in your original car media system. Otherwise, CarPlay or Android Auto will not play sound through your car stereos. To select AUX, you need to switch CarPlay or Android Auto back to your original car media system. Different cars got different operations. You need to press a specific button to switch back. There are some examples. On different cars, the specific button are various. On Audi models, the button is the nav. On Mercedes, the button is back by holding for 3 seconds. On BMWs, if your car over 2012 and NBT system, the button is back and by holding for 3 seconds. Before 2012 CIC systems, instead of press the back button, you press menu and holding for 3 seconds. When you go back to the original car media system, there are some examples to show you where to find out the AUX.
You